It's gonna be a longest travel day for us because for the next 46 hours we are gonna be taking a couple of taxis and 2 trains. I did not expect this to lie down for the next 16 hours. We have just checked out from our Airbnb and we will be spending a few more hours in Taiwan before catching our overnight train from Sapa to Hanoi. And we then have to spend a few more hours in Hanoi before catching our next and final train for the next 16 to 17 hours to the brand new city, Hoi An.
After 11 o'clock checkout from our Sapa Airbnb.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're so awesome. Yeah.
Aww.
Take care and enjoy.
We still have another 6 hours to kill. So we thought let's just go to one of these beautiful cafes in Sapa. And we just realized we are slowly getting the hang of this full-time travel lifestyle. Because do you remember a few weeks ago we told you that we were struggling a bit because we wanted to do so many things in a little time frame. But now I guess we are settling it down, eh?
I think we are doing a lot better.
Are you getting motivation to reduce your weight? Carry-on weight?
Yes. Our train is not until the 9:30, so we were asked to go home.
Actually, she said go home.
Sagar was using Google Translate and she was speaking in Vietnamese and Google Translate was translating in English and it said go home.
You go home.
And so we have found a place to eat something before our train.
But we have to carry our luggage with us. So that's gonna be pretty. I got the tickets and it's time to board our train.
This is way better than my expectation. I think the next one is a bit, but I forgot this is for the tourists. So that's why this is a bit fancy. Like it is, I'm saying fancy because we have got slippers too. And I checked out the toilet. Oh my god, it's so good. And not just that. Oops.
Sorry.
That's so good. And we have got like basin to wash our hands as well. What in the world? Let me give you a quick tour. So the 17 and 18, these beds are for us, and we will we will get our neighbors soon. I'll pray for them because I am a snorer. And pretty much that's it.
Okay.
Thank you. So I guess they don't have many passengers. So I guess conductor was asking if we want to move to a private cabin, and they're gonna charge us extra 600,000 Vietnamese dong. But we are still in hope that no one is coming into our cabin.
I think that's why he was trying to get rid of us.
Oh, maybe, but we are still hoping that no one is coming. So eventually we will get a private cabin anyway.
Wait till the end.
Yes, only 15 minutes to go.
I think it's safe to say it's official. We have got this whole cabin.
It started moving.
Ourselves. Our dream to have this cabin to ourselves was crushed because
After 4 hours.
we had a neighbor, a very interesting one. One done and one more to go.
So we have nearly spent 2 hours in this. Thank you. Hi. So we have nearly spent 2 hours in this cafe, and now off to the next one. We still have another, I think, 7-8 hours to kill before we catch our next train to Hoi An.
So, we met an awesome couple from Australia and they recommended this place. So we haven't tried like some of the very traditional breakfast dishes because I don't eat pork. But they told us about this place and they have, instead of pork, they have got eggs in the steamed rice. So I'm very excited about this. We still have to spend a few hours in the cafe and Sagar was not feeling quite well. I think he couldn't sleep very well at night. So I'll catch up on some work while he takes some rest. I find it so cool that all my work I can do from my phone. So far, we have taken a cab, taken a train, we have walked, and we have taken a Grab. So now we will do train again, and then probably taxi. It's gonna be interesting.
Okay. No, but it's pretty similar.
Yes. But if we are in the middle,
Then we have.
yeah,
Then
exactly
you are
that.
right. It's gonna be interesting.
Oh, it's upper.
So it's good, bad? No, it's bad.
Yeah. Okay. Pros and cons. Pros, let's start with some positivity. We will have no disturbance.
What do you mean?
Like everything's gonna happen downstairs. So less noise. very near to AC, so we won't be hot. Right? Cones. I think, no, another one. We can lie down for the next 16 hours, you know? Now let's focus on some cones. We will have to lie down for the next 16 hours.
You can't sit.
We can sit, we just have to be like this. And we won't be able to look at anything outside.
I know. That's what we call budget traveling.
So it's 6 o'clock in the morning and we still have a couple of hours to go to get to Hoi An.
Every now and then, some vendors will also come to sell you some food, coffee, tea, pho, whatever you like.
And Sagar is feeling like a human again.
I'm feeling really good after 11 to 12 hours of sleep.
It's so hot.
It is hot, eh?
Okay. We finally got our room and oh my god.
Sorry, first of all, it's so hot in Hoi An. Really hot.
But it's all gonna be worth it. After literally sitting like this for the last 16 hours, we have king size bed. And it's so good. So good. I can fall asleep. But we won't, because this staircase takes you directly to the